It's no secret that TikTok Shop is the biggest opportunity in e-commerce right now, and if you're not currently selling on there, you're missing out on a goldmine. Let me explain. TikTok Shop is expected to grow by over $17.5 billion this year alone, and they're competing directly with Amazon, which is why they have such strict rules that you must follow. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to navigate those rules, find suppliers, and start dropshipping on TikTok Shops in 2024. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. My name's Alex, let's get right into it. So really quickly, I wanna go over the rules you must follow if you plan on selling on TikTok Shop. You guys can see right here, there are two different shipping types. You have ship from TikTok, where you buy all of your shipping labels directly on the platform, and ship by seller. This is where you buy the shipping labels yourself, or in our case, your supplier will take care of everything for you. Scrolling down, here's some packing requirements and all of that. I highly recommend you guys go through this list yourself. But you guys can see right here that international dropshipping is strictly prohibited on TikTok Shop. You guys cannot source your suppliers out of China or any other countries other than the US. If they catch you dropshipping out of China, they will shut your account down. So in just a moment, I'll be showing you how to find US-based suppliers to ship all of your products. Now you guys can see that right here, all sellers must ship their orders within 3 business days of receiving their order. If 7 business days go by and your order isn't shipped, it will be automatically canceled and put your account in bad standing. If this happens enough times, they will shut down your account and ban you from selling on the platform. They're really cracking down on a lot of sellers right now. So once you guys set up your TikTok Shop account, you guys want to go to shipping options right here on the left hand side, and you're going to select seller shipping right here like we had just talked about. This will allow you to fulfill all of your orders directly through your suppliers. And when you guys are ready to add your first winning product, select products right here and select add product. On this page, you're going to fill out more information about the product you want to sell. You'll give it a name. You'll select the category as well as the brand. You'll fill out all of your media right here where you can add all of your product images. I highly recommend adding videos to your listings. You can create your description right here. You can use the AI description generator directly from TikTok, or you guys can come up with it yourself or use an option like ChatGPT. You're gonna fill out more information about your pricing and your inventory right here, as well as your shipping settings, and then you're gonna submit it for review. Once you guys have all of that filled out, let's talk about finding suppliers for the products you wanna sell. Now, while so many AliExpress suppliers do offer 2 to 5 day shipping, they are not dependable in the long run, and you will run into a ton of issues if you decide to go with AliExpress. So let's talk about a few supplier options that many sellers are using to get started selling on TikTok Shop. CJ Dropshipping is a great option that many sellers are using to get started on TikTok Shops. You guys can see they have an entire section right here for TikTok Shop products that are based in the US. Once you click on that tab, it will take you to this page over here. You guys can see all of these different product options that you can sell on TikTok Shop. It'll show you the pricing options as well as how much inventory is currently in their US warehouses. Now, of course, if you don't find the product that you want to sell on CJ Dropshipping, you can source it directly on the platform. So for example, if you guys want to sell these sunglasses on TikTok Shop, you guys can see there's 514 units available in their US warehouses. You guys can see that you can get this product for $1.41, and they recommend selling it for anywhere between $16 and $32. You guys can see right here that their processing time is 1 to 3 days, and their delivery time is 3 to 7 days. So this matches TikTok Shop's criteria. You guys can use the photos provided by CJ Dropshipping, or you can request more photos right here to use on your own listings. You guys can customize these sunglasses right here by adding your own logo to them. And you guys can actually pre-order more inventory to the US warehouses with only a 30% deposit. So this is a great option for sellers looking to get started on TikTok Shop. Another great option that many sellers are using is ZenDrop. You guys can go on your account, select find products right here. You guys want to select ships from US. You only want to work with US warehouses that match all of the criteria offered by TikTok Shop. You guys can see there are a ton of different products that you guys can get started selling on TikTok Shop, or you guys can source new products if you're interested in selling anything else. So for example, if you guys want to sell this security camera on TikTok Shop, you guys can see it's a little bit pricey. It costs $16.10 with a shipping cost of $5.75. But the processing time is only 2 to 3 days, and the shipping time on average is 6 days. So you guys can definitely get started selling this on TikTok Shop if you sell it for a high enough price. Now, overall, the best option to get started selling on TikTok Shop is using a 3PL or a third-party logistics service. This will allow you to sell any product that you want to on the platform, and you'll have full control over your product branding, fast shipping speeds, and this will give you the lowest cost possible. Now, there are many 3PL services out there, but the one that I personally use is FulFillman. Now, I know it says dropshipping from China, but all of my products have 4 to 5 day shipping to the US, allowing me to update all of my TikTok shop orders with US-based tracking numbers before they arrive. You guys can see some of my recent tracking numbers from January. We have 4 days to the US, 5 days to the US. It doesn't get any faster than that shipping directly from China, and this is the cheapest option available. Now, not only does FulFillman allow you to dropship on TikTok Shop with their own private line of logistics, they offer many additional services as well, like Amazon FBA services, product photography, but also a ton of branding services. Like you can make your own custom flyers to go out in all of your orders. They have custom packaging options. You guys can create your own stickers with your logo on it, as well as gift cards. Now, like I already mentioned, this is the cheapest option out there, and they can source and fulfill pretty much any product that you can find. So if you guys are interested in trying out FulFillman, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to get started. Simply go on their website and select get a free quote right here. That's everything you need to know to start dropshipping on TikTok shops in 2024. They're really starting to crack down on a lot of sellers using the traditional dropshipping model, so you need to only work with high quality suppliers. If you found any value in this video, make sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have a free dropshipping course to help you get started, link down below. Don't miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.